here. Oh, man. Dude, are you kidding me? All right, give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Um, all right. All right. So we have no news today, guys. I took a trade yesterday in the evening session. I was really upset, but I'll explain why. And I was so close to going on tilt, aka crash out. But I guess like give me a second. Let me just put this down real quick. We don't have any news today, so I gotta be very careful today. Very, very careful. Okay. So what was I talking about? Yesterday I wanted to short this here. Alright. So when I entered this trade, I literally just entered equilibrium of this range here to here, right? So what I did was enter here. I entered here, sorry, here. My stop loss was here, obviously. And then this was my goal, right? Cool. So in here it looks like it played out, right? And then we had SMTs with NQ because NQ ended up taking this high. When I ended up moving my stop loss to there. Point being is an MQ. Can I even show my executions now? Think about it. On MQ, it took it right here. I'm really upset. Whatever. This is what it is. On MQ, you see how on SMT we had an SMT, which was here, this one, and it didn't take it on NQ. It did take it on MQ, right there. You see, it took it again. So they were Masala was moved here, and then it literally came out. Technically, if I would never moved, they wouldn't say. But let's be honest, dude. Like I would have done that 9% of the time. I would not let my SMT like that. I wasn't even interested in the way price was. This is a 5-minute chart, and I was entering during the last hour 3:15 to 3:45 macro. So like this didn't really scare me too much, but it was a little annoying. And then we had SMT, so I felt comfortable with. Show you guys. You see, it was just a mess. It was a mess. And then we ended up going to the gold, and then he also had this equal lows on ES. So yeah, I ended up taking a loss and ended up going to the place I wanted to. Literally dumping last hour, but I didn't trade the last hour. I was out by then. It is what it is. I did get head upset though, cause like I was in that trade for maybe I don't even know, like perhaps um for like 40 minutes perhaps. So whatever. Point is, I got stopped out. But today, what is my bias? I'm leaning. I am leaning bearish for the day. Just to get that pullback because we are tapping into a weekly imbalance right here. See? So I am expecting a little pullback, which is basically what I'm trying to trade. And then we could also try to get back into the range from here. Then it will be this low to this low. The obvious starting point, but I'm thinking this one. Even then, I'll still be cautious, around this area. Like, so I'm trying to basically trade this pullback back into here to go higher. That's what I'm trying to do. That's literally what I'm trying to do today. So I'm basically looking for shorts. The only thing that's just getting in my way right now, I guess. I don't want. I usually do my weekly analysis, but I don't believe my notes and stuff. But this SMT is the only thing that's in my way. So I guess I am short. So SMTs are in favor of this case for me. But I am trying to look for continuation to this. I want to go high one more time and then go lower. This is my draw. London low. for the day, and I am trying to scalp 50% back into the range. That's what I'm saying. Like, not too not too eager to catch a reversal right away because we do have space to the downside to go lower. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. This is a swing point. That's what I'm trying to go to the target. But this is an easy baby target. And then obviously we can leave some runs for this, that would be dope. But yeah, for now I am bearish, guys. I'm not gonna try to continue longing. For me, it's not ideal. Let me just take this out. I know we're in a weekly fair value. Just keep that in mind. We are inside this weekly, so we could have a little pullback back into the range to continue higher. We'll see how price monitors after those levels. But for now, yeah, I guess I'm bearish for the day. Bearish for the day. Like, I want to go higher than go low, obviously. That's really the Judas swing. And then, yeah, this will be my goal, my draw day for the session. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my darling. Oh my darling. I don't even know where I got that song from. I think it was from Yogi Bear. I'm boring. I'm sorry. You goofball. Alright. Alright. And we have a D. Oh no, we don't. That's crazy. Oh wow, that's pretty funny. I thought we were gonna have an entire range gap, but we don't. Not a crazy big one, so shouldn't really be. So yeah, ideally I'm looking for some sort of S&Ts. Ideally. Excuse me. Oh man. I don't want to get sick, dude. I don't want to get sick. Oh guys, I am bearish for this session. You guys wondering. We just have midnight. I don't want to really see a close below that. Oh no, that's not midnight. What is this? That's 8:30. I just want to see a wick, a failure to close below it. I want to see some sort of S&T formed again. Again, guys, I am bearish. I am bearish. I'm not interested in trying chases. It looks like we might have some sort of S&Ts again for lower time frame. Which is very good. I mean, if we could see this get inverse, I would probably use it. We get below it, use it. S&T, some sort of S&T on the lower time frame, and boom. That'll be my easy bread target for today. But yeah. I think that might be a first percentage for round again. Sure enough. Let me take this now. I already know we're in a high time frame. I mean, we could sweep it, but ideally I don't want to. I want to stay intact. Just go lower. We are tapping midnight open, guys. We are tapping midnight opening right now. Oh wait, no, sorry, 8:30. Well, I keep saying 9:30 thing. We are tapping 8:30 opening. Interesting. Okay, we're tapping. In this scenario, ES is the weaker one, so I would want to share. I would want to trade ES technically. Give me a sec. I'm gonna turn on my lights. We are. Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! All right. Okay, so those are them like there. Oh shoot! Oh shit! We still have a T here though. This one we haven't taken this. I do want to see some sort of some T form, if I'm really being honest. Well, that's a big range. This is the first presented fair value, yeah. So it looks like we want to go for constant portrait of that. Yeah, we still haven't seen it though. We are forming an inverse. I mean, sorry, a fair value gap here, so that's pretty interesting. Oh, gee. Excuse me. Not interested in longs. Did take it again. We did take on buy side again. Fair market highs. It's cool, I guess. We didn't even take it on the yes, did we? Oh, yeah, we did. Okay. We still have some teeth, guys. We still have some teeth. Oh. Ooh, that's a strong closure. I think like we might want to go for 50% of that range. I am gonna take it off a bit. I'm not wait. We're having a shock closure above. Let's see what it wants to do around here. 2 minutes left. I also don't really we haven't from this family around again. I want to see how we stay around it. We still have some teas, guys. We still have some teas, but typically we're most likely gonna get ran through if we really are trying to go for that weekly imbalance, which is this right here. And my goal was going to be 50% of that. Just trying to fit it in. And we're having a strong closure above something high. It's a bit of a closure. Density is holding so far. That's interesting for me. I want to see how we go through it. Okay, we don't. Oh yeah, we do. I said we don't have an SMT with DS. I mean, fair value gap. It's a tiny one, but we do have one. Significant for me though. Very tiny. Even in the charts, if it's tiny, this doesn't matter. But, okay. Again, yeah. I mean, To be honest with you guys, like I wouldn't really feel comfortable shorting unless we break through this low, or at least 50% of this level, which we did here, I guess. But if we could inverse this, then I would feel comfortable. I wouldn't really feel comfortable shorting this yet. I would feel comfortable if we inverse this whole thing. We get it from this breaker right here. Oh shoot, sorry, right there. Get it from this breaker. Depending on the stop loss, obviously. Because right now, if we could just completely let's say we could completely inverse this back with another 5-minute fair value gap, I would feel comfortable considering this is the BPR and then shorting, because this is my draw. I'm not looking for longs, like, especially because we're so high already in the move. Look at this. Let me take this off. Let me take this off too. I want to see a deeper trade, man. And this is so clean too, but I don't really expect this to be taken out anymore. Just because we already have so much 1 hour inversion. Yeah, like I said, I'm looking for shorts. I'm not really interested in longs yet. I do like that wake. Cool, okay. I'm gonna wait till 10 though. It's funny, like, excuse me. I got to a point in my life where, by the way, we're tapping 830. I want to see a closure below that nicely. Displacement lower. And I want to start targeting some buy sides, some sell sides, sorry. Okay, so the SMTs did hold, guys. Right here. We never took it out. So yeah. I want to see this get reversed. I'm not interested in ES did take it out already, which is very good, I guess. I kind of want to pay attention to ES. You see? Because it does look weaker. Look like we better inverse it. Let me just not change the color. Sometimes I get like manipulated with my own like rush. And then I just under thingy. But we ended up taking buy side, which is good, I guess. But I would want to see a closure below this. I wouldn't really be too concerned with this fair value. I preferably I would. Well, actually, nah, you're right. I want to see this get close. Like, even this could come down. Like, let's just say we somehow get, we could do this, and I wouldn't be interested in that. Preferably, my opinion. What I would more likely want to see is a closure below this 15-minute inversion. Before here, or at least a closure below encroachment of it, like a nice strong displacement indicating that it's most likely going to continue going over. So SMT did hold, guys, which is nice in my opinion. You know, if we're looking for shorts, because I am looking for shorts. Now what do? We just wait for time. You see? Look at this. This is why it's not an inverse yet. Gotta be very patient, guys. Very patient. I don't see ever react here. It was 940. Ugh, the market looks spotty. Okay, guys. Let me set my rules out right now. I'm not looking for longs. I'm not interested. Like, if the market wants to be really bullish, then I guess that's so be it. But We also did take our previous day's highs already. I know we did, but yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah, I'm interested in long, guys. I'm shorts. I'm sorry, I said longs. Nice, nice wick. Now all we just gotta do is wait and see if we want to respect 50% of that. Do have a 5-minute change to there right now. Cool. This could be like a lower time frame BPR. Oh no, it's not. It's crazy. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna wait till 10. Okay, so we did inverse that. Almost a closure. That's a big range. Hold up. Almost a closure below this first. Hmm. Alright, guys, I'm in this. Cool. Okay. I don't even think we're gonna have some. Getting it with the breaker. Actually, no, it seems way too many times in a second. Ugh, dude, I really hate when it does this. I hate when I have to wait for him and it just goes without me. I think this is a nice version too. And this is the brief PR. Dude, it is above 50% of this spike, right? Yeah. I want to see a closure below that. This is 4 hour. Yeah. Okay, I got it from this breaker, guys. It's clean at 2 minutes. I'm just gonna send it 2 minutes. I really just don't like that wick though. I took the first trade, guys. This is 950, so what time is it? 950. Again, I took the trade off of this. This is an F5 minute, F5 breaker. Right there. Yeah, price shouldn't really be coming up. If it doesn't, I don't want to be part of it. My stop was like this, and my target would be this. Obviously, ideally, I want to see the breaker hold and whatnot, but you know how that goes, guys. We never get what we want. Like this, it's already doing some BS. Do we have influence and T's? I just don't like that closure, dude. But I want to see a closure below that. Ugh, this wick looks crazy now. It's just a previous week's high. I want to see a deeper into here. Did I get in prematurely? I don't like that wick, dude. I do not like that wick, guys. I do not like that wick. We guys see the high we took previous. Yeah, like I'm looking for shorts, guys. I'm not. I just want to see this. I want to see this, preferably the breaker hold. Stay below it. I think you're just in the 5 minutes, more of a 5 minute trade. We are gonna create a 5 minute fair value gap so we can retrace into that. I want to see a closure, guys. I want to see a closure. I'll show you guys. Nice. I want to see a closure. Right, here we go. Nice. Okay. So it looks like his breaker is holding. I'll put a timer on this. Come on, baby, close. Dude, I just want to see a closure below this, and that'll be nicer to try to get into. We do have a little fair gap here now. So the reason I put this, it's really an inverse and then it's really BPR. Then I'm just trying to go for this. It's really just that. I just want to see a continuation though. I'll probably move to break even somewhere here if we really just I'll move my stop loss for sure a little bit. I really do think we go deeper, like lower than this. I mean, so far so good, I guess. I don't know. I've got to a point in my life now where I really don't care if we win or we lose. Why do you use a website then the app itself then another smooth? What do you mean? Like another breaker? I mean another a third party broker? I just got used to this, bro. I just got really used to this. But it itself is another smooth. What do you mean? Wait, why do you use the website then the app itself? It is then the app. Bro, I'm glad I'm just cheap. I'm not trying to download space. Yeah, you could download it. You could download it, but I just don't care enough to. Not that important for me. I'm like, wait, what? I'm like, wait, what are you talking about? But yeah, nah, I just the app, bro. Everybody just use the app, dude. Like, imagine have a whole 4070, 4080 just to freaking use a MT. Well, before it was MT4, now it's I just use TradingView. But yeah, dude. Anyways, what up, dude? Welcome. Good morning, mama. Good morning. Oh, again, I'm in the short, dude. I told you guys I wanted to see what is it called? I wanted to see lower price today, guys. We have average tricks though. Reverse. I mean, I'm gonna be upset, but you just did it so many times, bro. You just begin to lose numbness. And it's funny because yesterday the trade that I wanted, like, I always get stuck in these nasty. Like, I'm not even gonna say it always, because it's just like that victim mentality. But most of the time, I just end up getting stuck in these nasty trades, and then when I do want to be in it, when I'm not part of one, I just go straight. Like, I'm like, bruh, cafecito. But yeah, dude, I'm just too lazy. That's really it. But you could download trading if you wanted to, but it's not worth it for me. You just download them. Right here. I really don't care enough to. I literally just go see and I'm in it, bro. Cause my account's already saved and all that stuff. So it's gonna be an annoying trade, bro. I just want to see a nice dump. I see more people using the website than the app. That's why. Yeah, we're just lazy. We're just lazy, bro. We're not trying to give up the extra storage. It's not worth it, in my opinion, dude. Bro, you literally just go to your web browser, bro. Think about it. You're not downloading anything. You just have it on your what is it called? You just have it on your freaking on the website. You know, there's no point, in my opinion. You know, but people could download if they wanted to. I don't. I just don't care enough to. Bro, these waves are nasty, dog. But yeah, dude. I don't know if you trade, bro, but I do use ICT concepts as well. I do use ICT concepts. I really want to see a dump, dude. I don't like this price. I don't like it. I could still be wrong, and then we just end up dumping, which is so annoying. But hey, man, yesterday, bro, yesterday was so. I ended up taking a short, right? With here, right there, right there. So I ended up looking for the same thing as literally today, bro. M15. I guess here I just got in from the equilibrium. But from here I just got in from the break, whatever. Put it, I got in somewhere here, right? And then my stop loss was here. I moved this because we had SMT. Basically, like when one of the two markets, ES or NQ, they should act like brother and sister. Like they should act similar. And when one begins to show you signs like, oh man, that's not good. Whatever. But when the other one begins to show you like the, oh bro, I need to see a closure, dog. I want to see a closure. 40 seconds left. Come on, bro, don't do this to me. Oh, come on, bro, don't do this to me. Oh man, no, I don't like that. Don't like that. It's too early, but I want to see a closure below this. Whatever. So this should like similar. So when one of the markets doesn't do something, then the other, for example, let's just say this one, like for example today, let's just say this market took out this, right? But the other one didn't take out this high. That just means that there's a cracking correlation, you could say, and basically Dude, I mean, it could probably just be creating liquidity, but I don't like that wick, bro. What? Oh, that wick is nasty. Ooh, that wick is nasty. Yeah, we're in it for a long run today. I just wanted to see a continued dump. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like, I'm never in a trade where it's just like, it's always, bro. But yeah, I just want to see this hold for real. I just think technically, if you were really impatient, you want to see equilibrium. You really want to start seeing the dump now. You see, that's basically what I could have gotten in from, but I just gotta work on my patience. But I just feel like I'm in a point where I just kind of want to rush to get not rushed. Yeah, but yeah, rush is the word. I'm not gonna say it's not. I just wanna I want to see this hold. I just want to hold this and see it dump. If I'm being honest, I'm just in a point where I just want to get funded, and it's not the point like I'm being impatient. It's just more like I know I had what I know what I have what it takes now to see what other people see. You know, the people who are profitable in the long run. I could see what they see now, and I feel like now the one thing that's holding me back is just like I'm a little bit more scared to lose, so I don't risk as much. But that's the reason why I'm risking more now, like because I know like once I get funded, like I could just calm down for a little bit. Now it's just walk, don't run. I really want to see this hold, dude. Preferably I also want to see hold this candle. That just changed the delivery. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like stop loss should not. It should not make sense to come up in a, if it does, then good. I want to see a nice closure and dump. What market are the two side one you have, and what time frame are those? What market? Oh, NQ and the E mini Nasdaq. This is the big boys. This is the little boys. This is just with when you have more money you can play around with, or like you have a higher count in your thingy, you can play with this one because this one's more money, and then this one is like for smaller, so you don't have to risk as much money. And then the same thing. This is the ES. This is the big boy, and then this is the micro babies. I really want to see this 5-minute Friday hold. But yeah, what time frame? It's funny because I started out with the 5-minute because the 5-minute technically is like the best one. But if I'm really being honest, when you first start out, dude, the 5-minute is so slow. You want to be into the 1 minute, and I started with the 5-minute. I don't know why. Because I started learning to trade from some other guy. I want to see this open, by the way, preferably be a breakaway gap, and then this one hold and send it lower. Yeah, I think we should go lower. We're creating support and resistance. Well, resistance. Basically, this stuff where like this, it'll tap like when it taps a lot of times into a line like this. Like you see, it'll tap. That's what I guess. That's what we're creating right here, like support. But they just do this to like make people like schlong and then boom, just straight wreck them. That's what we think, at least. Like, we could be wrong. Hey, we could be wrong. But yeah, I used to use the 5-minute when I started out, and then I wanted to get a little bit more like I'm saying it's weird. It's like a journey. It's really just a journey of discovering yourself. And then I wanted to get more impulsive, and I'm like, yo, let me go to the 1 minute. So I did get into the 1 minute, and then what else? What else? Then I moved into the 1 minute. Right, cool. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I really wanted to see that close below now, dude, because we could bounce around this area. Because now we could just dude. I want to see we break through this 50% level. Because now we're just stuck between two. We're just gonna be doing this now, and we could still be wrong and go up. I really wish we just break through this, and then I would really just be confident holding this, and then even to this. But yeah, I started in the 5-minute, and then I just moved my way down. But now I'm at a point where I use the 1, the 2. It just depends on which one looks cleaner, which one looks like more obvious. Because sometimes if you go into like, let's just say this, let's just go into the 15 seconds, right? Let's just go into the 15 seconds, right? Let's just say this looks a little messy, right? When there's so much like this, like everywhere, just go up a time frame, and then it's more just focus on the fair value gaps. So you don't focus on too much like zigzag. You just focus on the big boys. Like here, like you see here, we have so many fair value gaps, like so many balances right here. I just go into the 5. That's what I'm saying. The 5-minute was the cleanest one. Just one fair value gap, and then boom, another fair value gap. Bro, I just want to see this dump from here. Oh man, it would be nice. It would be nice. It would be nice. You're cooked? No, I don't think so. If I am, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm used to it already. So I really don't care. I'm telling you, dude, you just become You just get numb to the feeling of losing. And then when you win, it's like, oh, cool. That's what's up. But it's just, yeah, dude. Just relax. Believe in me, brother. 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 Believe in me. But yeah, right now, I mean, we're not doing bad, bro. Chill, relax, bro. We just pulled back into the range. Look, right here. Like, take a fib. Boom. We're back. I just really want to see it dump from here now, if I'm really being honest. I low-key want to hold for a little bit more. Not because I'm being greedy, just because it makes sense. Like, I used to think that too. Like, oh, you just, as soon as you get, you want to get out. Like, as you progress more and more, you bring it to like logical levels, not just like greed. You don't see greediness anymore. You just see logical levels in your trading. I would want to trade to here. Obviously, with either you have already two things. Either you already have what's the word? You already either take a partial here or you're already a break even. So the market can't do you any harm anymore. You know, even if it was to reverse on you, you're still either you still already had your profits or you break even. So the worst is a break even trade. I just don't like this. But hey, man, could be worse. I want to see this dump from here, dude. I don't want to see any support from this. Oh, baby, yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. Dump, baby, dump. But yeah, I like this as hold it. This is a breaker. So it's a breaker now. Flash breaker. Right here. I don't want to see that. I just want to see a dump, dude. I want to see. I do not want to see this get respected, dog. I don't want to see this weight get respected. I just want to see a continuation lower. Come on, bro. How you do? Oh my goodness, bro. This is this. Uh, bro, I haven't had a winning like a good winning trade in a while, dude. It's so annoying, it's so frustrating. But again, dude, just stick to the trade. Like I knew this was gonna take a while because it's more of a 5 minute trade. So I already knew that coming into the market. I already knew that. I really didn't expect any less of it. I already knew this was gonna take a while, dude, and I could still be wrong. I just want to see it dump now, bro. I really don't want to see this hold anymore. Just come on, bro. Just give me one good trade, bro. That's what I had for it. Just one good trade, bro. Like I even stopped trading last. You know, I just want to have one good trade and be done. Like, you know, make my $250, $300. Just, you know, be done. Like, it doesn't move anytime. I'm just gonna leave the trade, dude. Like, there's no point for me to hold on to this trade because right now the market should have been doing what it had to do. That's what I'm saying. We work on the way we trade. We trade based on time. We trade at a certain time should have already happened. But yeah, dude, it is what it is. Like I said, bro, I'm not risking crazy amounts. I'm only risking like 150, depending. And it's a really good trade, and I just risk less. I mean more. Sorry. Oh, it's true. One of the guys I watch is trading this too. I'm telling you guys, like I'm gonna show you guys one of the guys I watch. Oh, that's not good. He's trading the same trade too, dude. Like, and he's profitable. He makes money. So, and I know. What did he put stop loss on? Oh hell no, that's not good. That's not good, dude. But yeah, like I said, he's profitable. And I can see what they see. So it's like, do I really wanna? Nah, I don't. I, this needs to hold, by the way. This is bad though. This is really bad. It's really bad. The only reason we could come up here is for this. Right here. This is really, really bad. No good, no good, no good. It's respecting this 15-minute version, which is so annoying. Right here. This for rally gap, sorry. We didn't even get a closure below. I just want to see it dump, dude. Like, once it starts dumping, I'm gonna want stop loss here. Like, there's no reason the market should be coming up here no more. The market came all the way up here now to do what I wanted to do, and I guess I don't even know what I wanted to do, but let me see. There had to be a reason for this market to come up here. You see, the fund is this isn't like bad. Oh, nice wake, but bro, I'm waking too much. No, freaking annoying. Come on, bro, just give me one good trade. You know what? We need some music, bro. We need some. Oh, that's a nice wake. Beautiful rejection from there. That's what I'm saying. Market should not be coming up here, or even closing below this for sure. This right here is a no row. It's a no zone. Like I'm gonna explain to you. We have one way up and then one way down. You see how the big candles and then the opposite candles. I'm on my stop loss too. Nah, I don't even want to move it, bro, because it's not. Nah, it is worth the hell out. How much would it be worth now? What would that be about? But it depends on how we get moving down. 19 points. Yeah, that's pretty logical. Bro, come on, bro. Are you something I hate too? Sometimes I tend to get stuck in the wrong market too. Like you see how ES is already doing what I wanted to do. Like it's already here, and then look at NQ. And I did want to short NQ. The thing is, NQ just didn't look as clean as ES. Like you see. Oh, bro, why you do this to me? Oh my gosh. But yeah, like I was saying, dude, I could see what the other guys see, the big dog, if that's what you want to call it. You know, I could see what they see now, and then I'm like I'm saying, I'm at a point where why they're profitable because they're just taking the same trades, you know. Oh, bro, it's taking over that, and I'm still stuck on the harder market. Come on, bro, don't do this to me. Just for the one time, give me a good trade. Take a good into trade here. Nice candle back down to the downside. Come on, bro. Yo, this trade is so. I want to curse. Dude, why are you doing this right now? I kind of want to move this to here. I'm not even really interested if it wants to down. Once we cross here, I'll move to break even. If we can cross it here, of course, I'll move to break even. I'm tempted to move a stop loss now. I'm really tempted to move my stop. This freaking 15-minute fair value gap is annoying right now. That's really one of the only things that's holding it back, if I'm being honest. I kind of want to move this to there. Because it wouldn't make sense no more. Like, I feel like that should have been the... Oh, dude. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Dog. What is this BS? I'm telling you, bro, I always get stuck with these type of freaking trades, dude. Shush, mama. Shush. Your wheelchair is not moving. Shush, mama. Oy. I just wanted to break even, but my bad. I'm gonna close the break even if it allows me to. $18. Dog. But we have an inverse is 5. I'm gonna close, dude. I don't even care, to be honest with you. Close the lower, dude. I'm tempted. I don't know if I should just because like I feel like it's just gonna push, dude. Let me just put the time. Dog and Q. I think I'm gonna close, bro. For a little loss. Yes, not moving, dude. I'm gonna close. Seems like it'll push lower again. We also have SMT at the lowest. Mm-hmm. Mm. Come on, dog. A little loss more. Mm-mm. Mm. Look at this 5 minutes more. Mm-mm. More profit, guys. I'm gonna give the last one more 5 minute closure. I'm gonna close wherever close it. I don't care. 3 minutes left. Mm. Mm-mm. 2 minutes left. I want to see some crazy strong space around here. Oh my gosh, dude. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I closed, dude. It was a little loss. Yeah. So let me just put my executions. Closed. Closed at break even. This should have continued dumping by now. The F15 held. Freaking F15 minute piece of doodle crap failed. So do you see why it was holding? This is why I'd say it was holding. In ES, ES is a piece of doodle too. um, Again, guys, we took a lot of loss. I don't care. My stop loss would have been here. Here, if it was a normal market. Stop loss would have been there. I got impatient. I could have waited though. I could have waited for this retracement right here. Here. Would have tapped me in. But I didn't do that. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So what did I do well? Well, I didn't fear being wrong. Did I improve? Wait for the retracement, especially on the M5. My stop loss would have been here originally. So the price should not really be coming up there no more. if it's really in a good stop loss, we know a good market. Yeah, it is market, dude. First, I get stopped out yesterday by a tick, literally by a tick. And today, same thing. Well, I just consolidated. I mean, I don't really want to be in other conditions, but I gotta stop that here, bro. I was trying the evening session here, here. I was trading in Q right here, right here. So so when we had this SMT, you see how here we didn't take it out. Here we did. I moved my stop loss here to this high, basically right here, right? It stopped me out here, out here, and then it went to my target, which was this, and then these lows, and then just look, it just was dumped. So that's what I'm thinking might do today again. But I just don't want to be in this condition, bro. But on NQ, it's weird because this is the micros. On the NQ, it didn't do it. Didn't on NQ. I'll show you guys what time is it. 3:35. 3:35. You see, at 3:35, it didn't take it out. I want my stop loss here. You see, I want to see something from the deck watch. What chart values? Like, look at the high. The high is 21,341.5. 321.41.25. 25. So literally about half a tick. Then it stopped me out. On NQ. On micros, it did stop me out by a tick. And then today I'm stuck. This is really gonna test you. I'm telling you, trading is trading is not for everybody. It's not. It's not. Hello, yo, what up, my boy? What up, Reese? Long time no see, my boy. How's YouTube going? Damn. Technically, no, you technically have more followers than me now on YouTube. But subscribers, I forgot what it was called. Oh yeah, this market sucks, dude. It sucks hot garbage butt cheeks. It's what it is. So, I need one good trade, and like you kind of expect this market today for 2 reasons. There's no news, which is why I got in the macro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I got in the macro. This is hot garbage, hot garbage. How you been, my guy? Good morning, by the way. Oh, actually, no, it's afternoon over there in New York. Oh, Eastern time zone. 10:26 and 10:28 now. Yeah, there's no news. We expected this, dude, but it's like, bro, I just wanted a nice little scalp down, bro. Like, once I saw this thing, I was like, yes, we're going to the moon. No, not to the moon, sorry. To I don't know. I guess I could have been more patient, but I could have had a better thing if I would have waited for this right here. Stop loss here, and then I could have had a better risk reward. But sometimes the market just will leave without you, and you just like either like you just want to have a. It just comes down to two things. Either you just rather just have a little more of a little, I guess, profit and not miss a move, or miss the move and then not get anything at all from the profit. You know what I mean? So it just comes down to, be honest, to experience and not actually just luck too at that point. Because sometimes the market will literally just tap this breaker and then dump. We're still holding this breaker, guys. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm see, like now I'm able to see BPRs and stuff now. Just really, I'm so happy. Like I'm telling you guys, this is the year we become profitable. You just manage your risk accordingly, and then everything else is clockwork. Just still respecting this family, and then this is the BPR right here. So price should not be coming through here. Like it should not be closing at all. It could wick it, which is super duper annoying, but hey man. Price should not be closing here at all. Like yeah, at all. At all. What did you say? Price should not close here at all. That's what I'm saying. My stop loss was here. My boy Kane, what's up, dude? What up, my guy? What up, my boy? Yeah, ES is even failing to hit 50% of this. Oh, I did hit it actually. That's pretty cool. But yeah, price could just come up here one more time, sweep it, and go lower. But I'm not interested, guys. Like, you just begin to understand, like, in certain market conditions, which is really like half the battle is knowing when to trade, and half of it is when not to. And I feel like people, most like a lot of people get burnt in the day that you trade they're not supposed to trade. You know what I mean? Like coming into there, like someone who doesn't know about the news, there's no news. Basically, what the news is we just use it as a volatility in the market. You know, we inject volatility and it will shoot price towards a specific direction, the direction that was already intended. That's what we believe with conspiracy theories. And then yeah, just continue. Or use the manipulation, like it would sweep out a certain high and then go the opposite way. So like, let's just say there was news at, I don't know, 10:30, which is now, or sorry, 12:30. It would come up here, take this high, there'll be orders here, and then reverse, and then we'll get in from a market structure shift here, and boom. But yeah, something I'm just getting really good at now is just accepting like the trade. Like I guess today, the thing is, this comes with experience, bro. Like in the beginning, I would not recommend you like, I wouldn't recommend you stopping the trade out, but you just do it for so long, you just have that intuition now, like, okay, it should have done it by this time, or should have done it by this long, or it should not have done this. It's not a good trade anymore. And that's what it really comes down to. Like, you know, that's really what the market would just eventually begin to teach you on experience on its own. You know what I mean? Like, once this happened, like I told you guys, that's why I told you, like, when if you guys go back to the thing, I told you guys, as soon as this respected it, I told you guys, I do not want to see this like wick, like this little candle come down and stay here. Like I wanted it to just dump. And I told you guys, I'm like, ooh, fuck. Like as soon as I saw this like candle go up again, I'm like, oh god. Like it can still go lower. Don't get me wrong, it can still go here today. But we don't know when now. Because like the market should have been done it. And I just didn't like disrespecting this. I told you guys even before that, I'm like, yo, I just when this big black candle came in nice, I'm like, yes. And then like the last 2 minutes, I'm like, boop. I'm like, no, because now this is a wick. And now this is also a wick. So now what are we doing? We're just playing around within this range. This six experience, guys. This takes time to understand this. Now we're just playing around this level. We're just consolidating. We're just gonna chop around, and we can still go lower. Don't get me wrong. We can still go lower, but it's just like I don't want to be in this condition. I don't care if it goes lower now. Like you begin to understand that your mental preservation is way more important than your little $200. You know what I mean? Like it's not worth it, dude. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Again, we could come up here again one more time, guys. Right here. There's a fair value right here. You could come down and flip it. So like here, let's just say here, if you see it, like technically, like if it wasn't another day, like let's just say it's 10:50, right? Excuse me. I'm also not gonna trade the afternoon session anymore, guys. I feel like I'm not at that level yet. Perhaps when I'm already like profitable, like in a longer run, like after a year or two, then yeah, I'll consider it. But now, nah. So right now, like let's just say we just swept this high, right? Lower time frames. I just want to see some nice displacement through this low. Boom, boom, boom. Retracement, fair value gap, and boom. And then my stop loss would be here now. There's no need for price to go up because we already did the damage. We just came up here to take out buy stops. Which is this right here. We take out buy stops here again. And then I definitely don't want to see this. I definitely don't want to see this at all no more here. At all. Come here, I don't want anymore. Like we're going to lower time frames. Oh my gosh, this looks nice. If we could get some nice clear displacement continuation, then yeah. I wouldn't enter no more though. Like I said, this just comes down to experience too. Like back then you were probably like, yo, I'm gonna get in. Like I missed the move. Bro, if the move would have happened, the move would have been happened. You trust me, guys. The move would have thingy would have been happened by now. Just don't let this suck you in. Don't let the little retracement suck you in. Because trust me, guys, if the move would have happened, it would have been happened by now. And then guess what? It didn't happen. There's a reason it didn't happen. That's a nice displacement now, you see? You see? But again, I don't care. And look what we have here now, guys. SMTs. Oh no, you see? Ugh. This should not done. This should not done this. For two things. We're just coming back down to this fair value on M1, and we just took liquidity, so we could continue higher again or just consolidate. But I do like this SMTs though, right here. I do like SMTs, and you would just want to see continuation lower. I'm gonna paper trade this. I just don't want to be part of the group, guys. Like I know it's like a hot, like yo, get back in. Like it's not worth it, dude. It's not worth my mental capital. Like again, we're stuck coming back into it up. You see, bro, this should not be happening. This is gonna take time to understand. Like you're gonna be able to, like as soon as I told you guys, as soon as I saw this happen, like this week's happen, I'm like, yeah, we're gonna be in there for a long run. That's why, you know what, I'm just taking my little break even loss and just walk away. Come back tomorrow. You see, if this was gonna be any good, the market should have been done this, like broke lower, got turned into an inverse. Stop loss was here, SMTs. Like you see, like this is what I mean by SMTs. You see how here we took this high right here at 10:05. We didn't take it here at 10:30. So this is SMT now. So now what does that mean? That this high should be protected, ideally. So now, like, if you're really like trying to scalp lower, like, you should move your stop to that high. But I wouldn't really move it too much here. Like, this is the high resistance market, so I wouldn't really trust it too much. That's what I've been recently observing. Like, we should not be like moving our stop loss too much during high resistance markets. Interesting. Like, and by the way, guys, this is the most important part, and I'm really being honest about this. Just journal, write down your trades. I know it's so freaking annoying. I know it's so much. You can say it's work, but it's gonna pay off in the long run. I promise you. It's gonna pay in the long run. Again, I'm not mad with the trade today. Like, at the end, it comes down to like, did you follow the rules? Did you do what you're gonna do? Like, did you stick through it? Yeah, I did, but you knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. Like, freaking 10 minutes to trade already. That's why I gave it some time to play out, and then you just didn't do it. So I'm like, alright, cool, whatever. See you tomorrow, man. And tomorrow I am expecting volatility. We have news tomorrow. Right here, 8:30. So this would be like whatever wicked creates, I would use this as a target for news. Even 8:40. Oh, Paul was picking some. Yes, I'm probably just going away after 9:30. 10 to be honest. You see? So again, this should be your protected high now. In fact, just like cleaner. That's why I didn't take ES. In fact, like cleaner. Like I know we had nicer placement, but look at all these wicks, dude. Look at all these wicks. That's not good. This is called a high resistance market. This is a big no red zone you want to be trading in. No, no good, no good, no good, no good, no good. No good. If you could get below this breaker, like let's just say we get below here, my stop loss would have to be here. And then my TP would have to be back to the original. It wouldn't even worth it though. You see the risk to reward. I'm risking 1,000 to make 825. It's not worth it at that point. You know what I mean? And but I think if you want to go, you want to short for a shorter for more profit. Technically, you could trade into. No, yeah, this is the fair value right here. It's not worth it though. It's not worth it. And then that's when you begin to understand. Okay, it's not worth it. Then don't take it. Just wait for a trade that is worth it, and then you can make up all your. Like guys, I'm only down like 0.5%. I could make that in one good trade. One good trade, guys. One good trade. One good runner, and we're back to break even. This is what you gotta understand. This is what you gotta understand to observe beforehand and begin to have a certain set of experience to begin to see this. Once we close below this dude's box right here, you can say that I would not want to see it come back up. I just want to see it dump lower. But again, this is gonna take time. It's gonna take you years. It took me years. So let me say years, because I don't know how long it might take you. It might take you months, but I don't know. I don't think so. I do not think so. Technically, you want to short this one because now NQ is a shorter one, the weaker one, because it failed to take this high, whereas NQ the ES did. But yeah, I mean, this market is trash, guys. This market is really trash. I don't want to be in these conditions. Now we're getting displacement. After how long, guys? Let's see. I entered literally here, I think. Okay, yeah, 9:50. For almost an hour, guys. Almost an hour for a trade. I am good. No, thank you. I'll come back tomorrow when the market's in my favor. When it's not gonna do this crap. You see, and still respecting this. It's not an inverter. That's what I'm saying. Like, you shouldn't really be changing your what is it called? You see, now I could go higher and it keep me sweep this now because it's still respecting this for round again. As I'm saying, I wouldn't trust S&Ts too much here during these conditions. I'm probably gonna be done trading, guys. Like, there's nothing for me to do today here. Learn to step away. And I'm not trading. I'm not gonna trade. I'm saying this on my stream now, so I don't look like I don't want to be a lion, and I don't want to be. I don't want to be considered something else. I know myself. Like, I'm not gonna trade afternoon session. I'm saying this not for myself, really. Not for you guys. More for like for me, for self accountability. I'm not gonna trade the afternoon session anymore. Just opening up myself to more losses. Hmm. You guys want to like? I mean, I don't think there's nobody here, but what do you guys want to see? Like, I don't know. You just want to see a vlog in Mexico or something? It's pretty cool. The girls are cute. I'll tell you guys that much. They're cute. They're very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, I'm good. It's gonna take time, but it's gonna take time. Hey, I look so freaking. Let me move the camera right to my face. There we go. But yeah, I mean, what do you guys want to see? Like, there's literally nothing for me to see. And I can't really even move the camera too much because I have the Canon, so it's gonna look it's gonna look really. If I move it and you have the what do you call it, the dummy battery, I think. But I don't know that battery where it's fake. So because if I use the original battery, it would have killed it. You know, so I just used the like I forgot what it's called. Like a battery where it's really a fake battery, but it's just connected to electricity, so it doesn't really ever. So I could technically stream for hours and it wouldn't die out. Whereas if I did, let me see if I can show you guys. I don't even know what it is. Oh, I don't even know where it's at right now. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing on the charts. Ay, ay, ay. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. You see, let's respect this. Let's just say if it was smaller stop loss and then we just had nice displacement, immediate displacement. That's the thing. We need speed displacement. Certain times of the days, certain I don't know. Certain times of the day is really just it. We don't expect displacement at certain times. We expect displacement at certain times. If I would have had a displacement lower below, I would have gone from this thingy stop loss here. Obviously, it would have been if it would have been a smaller stop loss, like 5 ticks something. It would have been worth the risk, like at least to 1 to 1.5. Then yeah, I would have taken that. You know, like it's easy, give it to me. But no, it's not. They're respecting this. Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see you boys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Thank you so much for being here, by the way. Reese, KR, appreciate you, my boy. Thank you for the questions. Ask questions. Like I'm not the most knowledgeable, but I'm definitely like somewhat, you know, like I have certain experience. I got 2 years behind my belt. Nah, I don't know. When did I start? I started 2022. Well, technically it's about to make 3 years. Sorry, I'm lying. Yeah, I started in around November of 2022. I have a picture. Hold up. I literally have screenshots, guys, when I first started trading. It's pretty cool. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, now it's moving. Nice. Let me see if I can find it, guys. I definitely should have pictures when I first started trading. I used to trade support, and to be honest with you guys, I never really traded support resistance. Like I traded in the beginning, like for like a month or so, and then I began to do my research and I began to understand more money concepts. And then I began to understand ICT. Let me see if I can find a picture. Actually, hold on, it's in the screenshot, right? It should be in screenshots. Again, guys, we don't have anything. Look, you're not guys missing out anything. You see, nothing. Like yes, we're technically lower than we were like 3 here, but one cannon could literally come back up and just take us out. So yeah, I'm happy. Like I'm able to walk away from the chart now. That's a huge thing. That's gonna help you out a lot, guys. A lot. I promise you. More than you could ever expect. I'm telling you guys, half the battle is knowing to trade, half of it is when know not to trade. Let me see if I can find a picture when I have support and resistance in my, like trend lines and all that BS. I don't think I have it. Mm, no, but I have pictures of 2023. When I was doing like support and resistance. I don't have it. No way. I should have it. Hold up. No, I should have it. There's no. I know for a fact I have it because that was my memory, dude. Yeah. I don't know. I can't find it. That's weird. But that's so weird. I know for a fact I have screenshots of me when I was training support and resistance. Mm, dude, there's no way I don't have it, dog. No way. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. I need to start working on my thumbnails too. I feel like I'm definitely gonna work better under pressure. I'm more disciplined, obviously. I don't wanna look stupid. uh, I do have screenshots of like when I was already trading some other stuff, but even then, like even then, guys, even then, you just begin to understand a lot more things. I'm just waiting, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Bro, I do not have. How do I not have a screenshot of me trading support and resistance? I do have it. I know for a fact I have it because I used to show it to my one of my friends that was trading as well. I'm like, look, bro, I also started using support and resistance. Bruh. Bruh. That is so weird, guys. Hold up. Maybe it's not in a screenshot. Maybe it's just in. I'll show you guys what we're missing. You guys are missing absolutely nothing. Boom. Ta-da. Nothing. Hey, at least we closed below it now. That's pretty good. Hey, we finally inversed it, but not an NQ. Woohoo! Let's go. Nothing crazy. Oh, I'll keep my execution in case somebody comes in. Whoa, wait, I'm on MQ. I'm on the big little boys. Hey, the hell? Oh, I'm on paper trading. I don't care. Dude, no way I don't have a screenshot of my supporting resistance magic. Come on, days. Hey, teacher, supporting resistance. Ain't nothing better than that, boys. Oh, yeah, laddie boy. I can't find it. I cannot find it. Oh, would it be considered a screenshot? Yeah, it would, right? Because I screenshot it. How the hell else would I? I'm finding this, guys. I don't care. I'm not ending the stream till I find this. I'm not ending the stream till I find it, guys. I promise you. I promise you. I will not bow. I will not. I will not bow. I will not bow. I can't find. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's a crazy candle. A new inverse already. There we go. I can't find it, guys. I can't find it. I can't find it. I give up. I give up. I give up. I quit. I quit. I retire. I retired without amounting to anything. Nope. No, sir. Nothing here. Nah, guys, I quit. That's crazy, guys. That's what I'm saying. Like, and this all came back. You know why? Why? You know why this is doing this BS? This stupid week right here. This stupid wick. It held resistance. This too. This stupid bit value up. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Now what can we do? We can come up here to try to touch this wick. Right there. Right there. But my sample would have been moved by now because we already showed the freaking a move to go lower. Now, yeah, I'm good, guys. Whoever said you're cooked, I'm not cooked. I technically left before I got cooked, so I just got pre-cooked. Este es delicado. Alright, guys, I'm in the stream here. There's really nothing for me to do here. Peace out, guys. See you tomorrow. For sure, tomorrow.